Smart homes have been promising intelligent living for years, but let's be real, most assistants have been dumb command takers. That changes now. Google is bringing Gemini, their frontier AI model, into Nest devices. It's called Gemini for Home, and it's not just an upgrade, it could finally make voice AI worth using daily. Let's break down why techies should care. Traditional Google Assistant was rules-based with limited context. Gemini for Home is powered by Google's multimodal Gemini AI models, meaning it can handle natural language, context, reasoning, and even creative tasks. Translation: it's moving from scripted bot to actual reasoning agent in your home. Power features for power users. Contextual smart home control example. Turn off everything except the bedroom. Gemini passes exceptions, context, and device states, something Alexa and classic assistants struggled with. Dynamic media queries. You don't need the exact song title. Play that track from Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift works. Cross-platform search makes it less vendor-locked. Multi-step task chaining. Add pasta to my grocery list, set a 12-minute timer, and text my partner that dinner's in 15. This is basically in-home RPA, robotic process automation, for consumers. Gemini Live Persistent Conversational Sessions. Think ChatGPT-style depth but hands-free. Scenarios: walking through a Raspberry Pi project, debugging a Wi-Fi extender setup, or brainstorming code snippets while cooking. Generative Family Mode. Kids can co-create bedtime stories. Hobbyists can draft maker project steps or workshop ideas. This hints at Google positioning Gemini as a household collaborator, not just a utility. Early access, October, with a phased rollout. Devices, existing Nest speakers and displays, so no forced hardware refresh. Pricing, there'll be a free tier, plus premium features likely tied to Google One or Gemini Advanced. Expect AI-intensive tasks, like Gemini Live, to be paywalled. Integration, plays nice with Matter plus Thread ecosystems, meaning cross-brand compatibility should be solid. Okay, here's the real question. Is this finally usable AI for the smart home, or just hype? As enthusiasts, we've seen half-baked rollouts before. Here's what I'm watching closely. Latency. Will responses be instant, or will it feel like cloud lag? Local versus cloud. How much runs locally versus streamed from Gemini servers? Privacy. Advanced AI means more data. How transparent will Google be? Hackability. Could devs plug into Gemini for Home APIs and build routines beyond what Home Assistant or Alexa skills offer? Gemini for Home could finally make smart assistants essential. What feature would make you use it? Comment below.